Los Moletas. How's it going, everybody? I'm Brandon Peace, and today on Turkeyleg TV, we are building a shoe rack out of some pallets of wood. This ain't really usual for my channel, but let's do it anyway. Alright. So now me and my wife are hammering out all the nails out of this piece of wood right here. It's taking us some time, but after we're done with all this, we're gonna have ourselves some nice lumber to make this shoe rack. You may also be asking yourself, why haven't you been doing any blacksmithing videos, Brandon? And the reason is because, you know, California is going through a lot of fires right now, and I don't want to be the cause of one of them. So when winter comes around and everything's a little more wet, I will do more blacksmithing videos. But yeah, for now, I'm going to be doing a little more woodworking. So let's continue doing this woodworking. There you go, a lot of wood. So now I am drilling in the 2x4s into the back, giving it a more sturdy base so the thing doesn't, you know, shake around and wobble, and also you can sit on it to make it sturdy.
1 0 0 1.
Okay, cracked one. Let's not let that happen again. Okay, great. Fantastic! Fantastic! Now that is what I like to see! Now that we got this wood all laid out, it's time for me to drill it all into place, screw those suckers down, and then trim off the excess and work on the bottom. So let's do it! Cue close-up. So all we gotta do now is measure out the bottom boards, cut them to size, fit them all up, get them in there, and set them down nice and gently. We're gonna finish measuring and then cutting, and then once that's all done, we're gonna screw these things down and then stain the whole thing. So let's get to doing it. It is shanding time! Yes, mahogany. And here it is! Get these shoes out to my face! Thank you so much everyone for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. See you later!